प्रॉब्लम्स जितना कॉमन होगा उसमें ओनरशिप होगा तो सोल्यूशन निकलेगा.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे कंधों.
All of us are facing more or less same problems.
हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो
Are we trying to first seriously analyze the problem?
But they have increased their volume so high that they can afford to work at 8,000 rupees.
According to me, instead of wasting our energy,
ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं.
कि वो लोग क्या करेंगे या इन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए या उन्होंने क्या करना चाहिए, हम खुद अगर डिसाइड करें हमको क्या करना है.
कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं.
Boys which we are getting from the institute, they at least know what are the tools name, how to operate that tools.
And monkeys can only do things which you would perhaps not expect them without thinking.
तुमको कैटेगरी कौन सी चाहिए कस्टमर के, पहले वो नक्की करो.
हमारे आपस में ही यूनिटी नहीं है.
If you can learn to say no, then is a step to go up in life. Let's build a sustainable organization.
ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं.
Before we move on to the next topic, I have a small confession to make. We are all in the air conditioning business. AC के बारे में पूछो हम सब बता सकते हैं. तो ना ही हम कोई जर्नलिस्ट है, ना ही को हम प्रोफेशनल टॉक शो करते हैं. गलतियां बहुत हो सकती है, लेकिन ये पहला बार कर रहा है. मिस्टेक्स हो सकते हैं, बट ये कोशिश है हमारी कि एवरी इवेंट के साथ हमारा इम्प्रोवाइजेशन होगा और हम खुद सीख रहे हैं इसे. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट इवेंट. द टॉपिक इज वेरी लो मार्जिन्स ऑन सेल्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. जो भी हम प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं उसके मार्जिन्स कम है, जिससे हमें ऑपरेशंस के लिए दिक्कत होती है. हमारे मॉडरेटर इस इवेंट के हैं मिस्टर मनीष. मिस्टर मनीष, Mr. Manish is the owner of MS Systems and he's been doing the SST business into air conditioning since 2000, has over 20 years of experience and is located at Jogeshwari. Over to you, Manish.
When the earlier topic was going on, what I recollected was that there is a lot of stress on training, a lot of stress on manpower retention and all. But do we have a thought why we need to think about all these things? Because आज की तारीख में लोगों को रखना, बट क्या सैलरी हम लोग अफोर्ड कर पा रहे हैं, वो भी एक टॉपिक था. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि क्या हम लोग अफोर्ड कर पा रहे हैं उनको रखना, जो सैलरी हमको चाहिए वो देना. And are we getting the same returns from the customers? Are we getting the margins, right, we are eligible to? So I would like to just ask, Lavinda, can you just start with, does OEMs, since you are on both sides of the coin, like you are a dealer also and you are OEM supplier also, so what do you think would be, a role of an OEM in handling all these margin things? Can you just elaborate on that?
See, OEM understand everybody's perspective in only one thing. Everybody's objective is only one thing, is to sell. So OEM perspective, if you look, they will want the things to be kept very, very competitive, and they'll want to enter the market at a very, very competitive price. So their job, OEM job, would always be to see to it that even despite your adding of the installation cost, which has to be low as per their standards, they have to be competitive overall. So OEM cannot dictate your term. It's up to your it's basically purely your discretion, purely your call. It's like, I'll just try to correlate that to a more dynamic industry like ours, which is like automobile. Automobile में भी आज उतने डीलर हैं जितने अपने एयर कंडीशनिंग में डीलर हैं, शायद ज़्यादा होंगे. You take your car to any of the automobile dealers and try negotiating with them. ये मेरी गाड़ी खराब हो गई है और मैं आपको सिर्फ 15,000 ही दूंगा इस रिपेयर के. He'll say, please walk away. उनको क्या धंधे की जरूरत नहीं है? Do you think there is less competition in the industry? So it's like all of us who have to take a call. It's basically the problem is lying with us, not with the industry. And since we contribute to the industry, we are part of the problem. Solution also lies within. So we have to decide whether we want to do that at that particular price or not. It's purely your call. If you can learn to say no, then is a step to go up in life.
Yeah, so I would like to ask Dharmesh, since you are dealing in different brands and you have been trading and now you are coming in projects, as I know you personally, what do you think would be a role of dealers, as he was saying, that OEMs have some fixed goals and setups. We as dealers, what should we bring about, to take care of our own margins?
जैसे मैं कहूँगा कि पहले तो हम कितने तैयार हैं, क्योंकि बेसिकली पता है कि OEM से मार्जिन निकालना पॉसिबल है नहीं. 25%, 30%, 40%, जहाँ तक हमारी तैयारी कितनी रहती है OEM से नेगोशिएट करने की, उसके ऊपर जैसे मार्जिन्स कैसे उससे निकाले. बट हार्डली कितने भी आप नेगोशिएट करो, यू गेट लो मार्जिन फ्रॉम देम. तो हमारी एग्जैक्टली कितनी तैयारी है OEM से, सर्विस से ज़्यादा, जैसे जिस तरह हम लोग लेवे. और
बिकॉज हम लोग जो सर्विस का कमीशन मिलता है 400 रुपया, 700
वो
रुपया,
जैसे कि 200 रुपया मिला और बाकी 200 रुपया भूल जाओ.
राइट.
200 रुपये मिला, बाकी 200 रुपये भूल जाओ. वो
Sabir bhai, would you like to throw some light on customers? When we come to know that there is an inquiry and there are 4, 5, 3, 4 dealers, and we know that we are fighting, but still we have survival instinct. तो उसके लिए अपने को क्या steps लेने चाहिए, and how can we, as a unity, fight with customers?
First, let me thank everybody who is come here. This is an allied group, basically of the industry which is over here today. Okay? Our main problem where our margins and everything concerns, it starts where our workers leave as the main point, or he does a contractual job. That's where your problem starts. He goes to your own client and he tells him XYZ, I will do it for you, because he has got a ready-made database, a ready-made client base. He doesn't have to take any trouble on it. That's the basic problem where our all teething problems start and the headache starts. And today though we don't have that CSR circuit or where you have to attach wires or he has to learn something. He gets a ready-made product, he just needs to install it. Okay? Until we don't solve that problem, all other problems are going to be there. And first thing is, coming back to your last installation point and everything, like Emerson said, the same way I'll just recommend one more online institution which is doing it is Samsung is also doing the same job. If somebody is connected with Samsung, must be knowing. If we don't know it, go to their sites. They are doing the same job for this, for training people and getting
So can we stick to the topic, like margins के बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. I would like to also ask somebody in the audience want to speak something. Yeah.
Manish, I feel margins is a very, very critical issue as of today. And what I feel is there are big dealers who want to become very, very big, and they are cutting margins left, right, center. Probably an authorized dealer of any particular brand may not get a price from the company directly, but from the market he may get a better price. One has to show a maturity to maintain price. Everybody would want to grow big and earn money out of that. I mean, probably there would be very few people who would not want to earn money, but they want to earn name or become number one or whatever. So the problem, I believe, lies there. Being a dealer of any brand, if I'm getting a price, a product at X price, and if I'm getting the same product at a much lesser price, I mean, it's very difficult to digest that. I think one has to be mature enough to maintain the price in the market.
गुड इवनिंग गाइस, माय नेम इज मनोज राठौड़. मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहता हूँ. एक्चुअली हम जो इतनी भी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, अगर आप उसको समराइज करेंगे तो उसमें एक ही चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो है सबसे पहले हम लोग खुद. हमारे आपस में ही यूनिटी नहीं है, और आज जो मार्जिन्स कम हुए हैं ये हमारे आपस की फाइटिंग में ही हो गए. दैट्स व्हाट आई पर्सनली बिलीव. 20 साल से आई एम इनटू दिस इंडस्ट्री, और जो पैसा उस टाइम मिलता था आज क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? क्योंकि हमारे अंदर ही यूनिटी नहीं है.